Hi, right. So I got this raw data from Uber and had to do a lot of cleaning and formatting, and it was transformed to this. Right, as you can see, and it has tens of thousands of rows. And then a lot of analysis was done, and it was transformed to this, all on Excel only, nothing else. Right. Mhm. So these are some slices used to manipulate on the various charts. As you can see, the vehicle type, the rides per month, the booking status, payment methods, customer ratings, and driver ratings. So let's do some checks here. Do multiple selection. Let's try e-bike. Let's take go sedan. Let's take auto. Let's do multiple selections on the payment method as well. Let's take cash, debit card, Uber wallet. About the booking status, let's check on that as well. Let's do multiple, completed, cancelled, and all that. So that's the power of Excel. With a good mastery, you can do a lot that can simplify a process when it comes to analyzing any kind of data. Right, right. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.